the size that you need. So I would even say kind of measure it from going to the bottom of this, the width of this, and then just cutting it down a little shorter than that. So that would be about the size that we're going to use for the wire. This is floral wire, okay? So we're going to take the tablecloth and we're going to cut a sheet. They're folded in the package. So what we're going to do now, I've cut it in half, and what we're going to do is cut this sheet down the back. Now sometime I'll have the whole tablecloth, knowing I want to put them at this size, everything at this size, and I'll just cut the whole package of the thing and just cut it all the way down. So here is the first sheet. It's only one sheet. We're just going to put this out the way for a second, okay? And what we want to do is fold this accordion style. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Okay. There's other ways you may find to do this, but this is the way I feel it's easy to show people how to do it. Just going back and forth. And as you're doing it, you got to kind of hold it in your hand so that it doesn't come loose. It's only probably about, I would say this is about a fourth or half of an inch in width that you're folding it. Go back and forth. You don't want it too big, and it's hard to fold it too small. Okay, doing it accordion style. Then it's all done. We're going to take the wire and kind of put it halfway around, bend it around, and twist it. If you're having a pipe cleaner, same thing, just do the same thing, just twist it. I like to use the wires because we're going to have different projects that we're going to do with the wire, and sometimes you're just kind of sticking wire into foam, so that's why I like the wire, but you can use pipe cleaner. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in a curve. That's one side, and then turn it over and then cut the other side into a curve. Okay, it's kind of curved. Okay, sometimes I'll open it up because every once in a while you may not get every one, so you may have to just kind of do a little extra cut in there. Okay, okay, then turn it to this side and do the same thing. We're going to do a curve, curve, and then we're going to turn it around and we're going to do another curve. Okay, again, make sure they're all kind of cut. So now what we're going to do, we're going to open them up and make sure they're kind of even. Okay, then once you do that, see how they're all cut. Okay, now we're going to open them up. There's only 4 sheets here, so open it up. And I'm just do one side open. Okay. So now we have it completely open. So we can even, first of all, you can make it a carnation still. Let's pull them all out straight. Voila. That's a regular full one. And this is the one with the 2 sheets. And as you can see, this is better, but sometimes you just need this, okay? So next, how do we do this? What we're going to do, we're going to just push it down like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this in the middle here. So how do we do that? We're gonna put a dot of hot glue, and then we're going to put this in the middle. And just press it. And look how pretty that is. Okay, so here's 2. So now when you're doing this, you also do not have to cut the edges. You can leave these edges straight. Okay, leaving the edges straight. And if you leave the edges straight, you're still going to get the flower that you want, but it's going to be more like this. When you pull this out, this is what you're going to get. The edges are going to be just straight. So you can leave it like this. Okay, and again, we can take and open it up. And it still is all right. And we're going to take a little pom-pom that I got from the dollar store, and we're going to glue this to the middle.